Welcome back. My name's Timo, and in this video we're going to answer a frequently asked question that I get about solar panel cleaning. And I'm going to train the new guy here on this $150 solar panel cleaning job that we did a few days ago. Before we get started, I do want to mention that we're offering $100 off right now on our Solar Panel Cleaning Academy. And the Academy goes over the step-by-step process on how to get started making more money cleaning panels, admin, tools, marketing, all of that. This job here in the video was actually a client that we got from a Google listing, which means virtually no customer acquisition costs, right? Those are the best kind. And we're working on setting up a second crew to keep up with demand for new customers. And in this footage, you see me training our new hire on how we like to approach these single-story Spanish tile roofs when cleaning solar panels with our manual method. First step I like to do is I rinse with tap water, and then we'll switch to the deionized water filtration system, and then we'll proceed with the manual brushing method. Luckily for Eddie, he learned pretty quickly, and the funny thing is there's really a lot to learn, I guess, because there's all these little tiny things that help speed up the job, and I kind of forgot about them. It was fun to teach Eddie on this and refresh my memories of what it was like when I first started out and I had no reference or no one to mentor me, just good old-fashioned trial and error. So the little tiny things that I noticed while I was really breaking down the thought process that I have while I'm cleaning these panels, because at first I just handed him the brush, let him kind of go to it and just kind of see how he would approach it, and then we let him dry, and then he could see like he missed a bunch of spots, so then I kind of explained how I like to do it and the reasons why I like to do it that way. And it's just funny, that's when I realized that there's all these little tiny things, and it's interesting to me. So today's question, it came from YouTube, and the comment is I get asked a lot, and it's do you need to turn off solar panels before you clean them? And the short answer is no. I have never turned off a solar system before cleaning. I do get asked that a lot, but I mean, these things are made to get wet, they get rained on. So I've never done that. And the thing is, if you do turn them off, then it's like not producing power the whole time that they're shut off while you're cleaning it. So like, I feel like it's kind of counterproductive to get them cleaned while they're off. Now, I'm not a solar panel installer, so technically I don't really know the answer to this, but for me and my experience that I've had so far cleaning, at least 1,000 solar panels I've cleaned, and I've never once had to power down a system or turn off a system or turn off an inverter or anything like that. We just get up there, and we're not using high pressure either. That's another thing to keep in mind, is when cleaning the solar panels, we never use high pressure at all. We're only using low pressure. Either it's from the water hose, the water fed pull, and never do we ever use high pressure. We don't. And another question I get is, what kind of soap are you using? I never use soap. We never use soap on the panels. I was told by a manufacturer and an installer friend that I have that he doesn't recommend using soap because it can degrade the different coatings, the different films that they apply to these panels. One is an anti-reflective coating and another is a hydrophobic coating. The anti-reflective coating allows maximum UV rays to penetrate into the panel to do the thing, to move the molecules or whatever the heck's inside of there. And the hydrophobic coating is a way to help water just beat up and roll off the panel so they don't stay wet, so it just rolls right off the panels. So typically on a day like this, we could do about five jobs, and usually the minimum job that we do is about $150. We have gone a little bit lower when customers have applied the different discounts that we offer, like a senior discount, active military discount, and first responder discounts. We do have some discounts, and for the most part, we stay extremely busy, hence me having to hire a new guy to kind of keep up with the demand. So now we're gonna have 2 crews out in the field knocking them out. I did a job recently by myself, and I figured it's just better. It's better and more efficient to have 2 guys out there, one guy on the hose, one guy on the brush, or both guys on the brushes, and you kind of alternate between the hoses. Anyways, give this thumbs up if you guys found any value in this video. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, or don't. It's all good, But if you do want to see more stuff like this, helping you guys out with questions about solar cleaning and painting, do that. And remember, anything's possible, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.